Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today topic opposite worlds. Let's start.
Good, bad, new, old, up, down, left, right, happy, sad, rough, smooth, high, low, urban, rural, king, queen, true, false, little, much, best, worst, soft, odd, rich, poor, on, off, even, odd, rainy, sunny, summer, winter, same, different, friend, enemy, clean, dirty, start, end, slow, fast, birth, death, full, empty, light, dark, easy, difficult, complete, incomplete, love, hate, dry, wet, arrive, leave, agree, disagree, bitter, sweet, liquid, solid, possible, impossible, comfort, discomfort, large, small, weak, strong, open, close, reward, punish, smart, stupid, pass, fail, fix, break, high, low, for, against, girl, boy, give, take, go, come, bright, dull, profit, loss, few, many, begin, end, push, pull, earn, spend, angel, devil, melt, fridge, male, female, before, after, sleep, awake, hardworking, lazy, funny, serious, health, sick, dark, light, dull, sharp, inside, outside, broke, whole, pretty, ugly, adult, child, compulsory, voluntary, east, west, north, south, artificial, natural, boring, interesting, presence, absence, father, mother, catch, miss, include, exclude, man, woman, black, white, add, subtract, all, none, top, bottom, day, night, spend, save, laugh, cry, able, unable, short, tall, above, below, cheap, expensive, near, far, thick, thin. Hot, cold. Careful, careless. Buy, sell. Rare, common. Damage, repair. Public, private. Sunrise, sunset.
ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.